Hey y'all, it's Red at Rougewood, and on this log I've got two helpers. Top a Siberian elm trunk about 13 feet, and helper number one is down climbing after she came up for a better view. Helper number two is a guest sawyer for this project. You can hear her saw bogging a little bit as we cut this larger trunk into a 5-foot and around a 7-foot section for our furniture needs. Cut it, we rolled it into position and got it ready for chainsaw milling, a skill that I feel like I've mastered at this point. You can see here this is almost like two trees growing together as one, and it's got a nice dark walnutty color. Setting up for the chainsaw mill, the cuts went really smooth, and I ended up with around a dozen slabs between the two logs. The 090 has a really nice tone to it as it hums, but it can be a little bit loud and annoying for a video. Here I am in fast motion doing some of the milling on the 5-foot section. Everything went really great with these two logs. You can see I've got the ends painted already, and watch me struggle with the big saw. We got it done and dried, so here's the finished product. Beautiful pieces of Siberian elm and flat sawn cuts right here to show off the grain beautifully. If you like what you're seeing, we're at Rougewood. Please subscribe and I'll make more of these videos.